Notice, some of this may be unedited or sounds bad. I tried my best. Thanks. Hi guys, I want to talk about the hurricane lookout. The highest chances are high by the National Weather Service, and there's a 70% chance of development on the 5-day lookout. There's a 40% chance of development on the 2-day. Let's get right into that. So I'm pulling it up here really quickly. So I'm going to show you the modeling and the overall risk and stuff. So yeah, there's the 70% chance, the high chance. So yeah, this cannot. It's not likely to cause the hurricane, but it's possible. Speak it out. Possible. But it is probably unlikely. So. But it is possible, but it will probably just cause like tropical cyclones and not really a hurricane. As you can see up there, there's that chance. Yep, hi, blah, 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 blah. Get it. So let's look at some modeling. I'll show you what the models mean. So those little gray globs that you see on the modeling is just... I meant to say activity, but I said something else. So as you can see there, I'm starting it. So as you can see there, that white stuff that could produce, that you can see that stuff all producing in that little square coming off from the land and stuff. So yeah, I'll play that one more time. There you go. So you get to see that. All that white stuff is cape. That is like stuff rising from the air. So yeah, there you can see all that movement. So that could possibly move up to the U.S., but possibly. Let's move on to the Texas. 20%, not most favorable. I can't really see anything here on the Cape. I only see a little bit Cape. See, look, you only can see a little bit. I don't see much activity. I see some activity, but not as much as that 20%. I don't know what the National Weather Service is, what the models they use. I don't know what they do, but so yeah, as you can see, it's some Cape, but it's only a 20%, and that's by the National Weather Service. Trust them more, not me. And then we have this area. Sorry, that was loud. Then we have this area nearby. We get to see this. So this is a 30% 5-day chance. Excuse me, I can't speak and my microphone is getting too loud. So yeah, as you can see there, you can see some Cape, not much. So yeah, let's pull up some more stuff. I'm gonna pull up the Hurricane Alex stuff. I meant tropical. I'm used to Alex, excuse me. It's Celia or whatever. I can't pronounce it. Sorry, I can't pronounce it, guys. As you can see, there's this. It is lowered down to a storm. It's an advisory number of 40, but yeah. Max wind guess is only 65. Wind speed is 50. It's moving west-northwest, so yeah. It's kind of off chart. Good thing it didn't hit any land. So yeah, that is outlook. So yeah, that is our look at for today. All right, guys, let's do a little recap of what happened yesterday. So yeah, basically a lot of stuff happened. So there was a severe. Here, let's recap a bit. So there was a slight chance yesterday, and where I lived, I was part of that. But basically, what there was severe thunderstorm watches issued near the slight area, as you remember. So yeah, and then there were severe thunderstorm warnings, I think, near Washington and Farmington. That is all I remember. I think they were both 60-mile-per-hour winds and inch hail. So I don't really remember. So yeah. This was last night, so but what I remember is I remember being in a severe thunderstorm watch, not a warning. Nice. So yeah. So that's the little recap we have. You're still seeing storms in the Canada area. Yeah, we're still experiencing storms below that, actually. So now we're experiencing storms below that, which have actually been, some of them are severe thunderstorm warned, but, right, look, I couldn't say, yeah, they're pretty bad. The storms below us are getting bad. I don't know what Canada's going through, but they're really having some severe weather, that's for sure. They've been issuing a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings. Some of them were incorrect. Sorry, Environment Canada. I might have not been looking at what you're looking at, but I didn't really like those statistics. It was pretty much weird. But if they say so, they probably had land. They probably had ground people. So yeah. So that is my first video ever. Yes. Thank you for watching. Most of this data was from the National Weather Service, the Weather Channel, and Radar Omega. So thank you for watching. Blah 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 blah. I'm very new to this. Can you tell I'm new to this? Can you tell I'm new to this? Just gonna ask you. Well, anyway, so thanks for watching, I guess.